Okay, good morning. Happy Wednesday. Welcome back, or welcome to another vlog. I had so much fun recording and editing my grad week vlog that I thought, why not do another one? So here we are. Welcome. It is Wednesday morning right now, and I'm just gonna be doing like a little day in my life type thing. Today the plan is to do a little room reset because it kind of became a mess after all of the graduation things. So I need to like deep clean and organize everything. Then I'm going to the beach with my childhood best friend. We're doing a little beach day. We're taking her Jeep, driving on the beach. Super fun plans today. But yeah, first beach day of the summer. I finished cleaning my room for the most part. It's pretty good now. The floor is at least clean. Outfit of the day for the beach. Beach club shirt and just denim shorts. Now I need to do something to my hair because this looks insane. I'm just gonna do water and sea salt spray to kind of, like, some of these straight pieces are just not cute. The difference that just this can make for second day hair is literally insane. Cute. Now you have to wait for this to dry a little bit because it's like soaking wet. Taste test of the new McDonald's icy freezy, whatever they're called. What do you call it? A frozen
drink.
It's a slushie.
Icy.
I got Coke.
I got the Hawaiian Punch.
I don't know why I expected it to be.
It was $1.50.
Delish. It feels good when you're in it. You have to get out. First dunk of the year. Yay.
It feels good.
Ooh, I'm getting like dark. Holy moly. Hey, all done. I'm back at Publix because I desperately need aloe. Welcome to my bathroom. I am developing a burn. It's not too red yet, but I can like feel it, and my arms are definitely burnt. I went to Publix and I got some Hawaiian Tropic After Sun lotion. I was gonna get regular aloe, but I hate aloe. I hate aloe. It's so sticky and it just feels weird. So I'm hoping this will be better because it's a lotion. I've seen people on TikTok talking about like the tub version of this. So I don't know if this is the same thing, but it's the same brand. So it smells like coconut. So I'm gonna take a shower and then lather myself up in that after sun lotion. It's been a few hours. As you can see, my burn has settled. Yeah, that's so bad. I'm literally like so burnt that I'm glowing. I feel like drained from the sun. So I'm gonna end the video here. I'm gonna hit the hay. Actually, I'm probably gonna chug a bottle of water first so I don't get dehydrated. So thanks for watching. Come back at some point for another video.